guys, what's up? It's Kat and welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you're new. My name is Kat. I just said that. You guys have been here before, and if you haven't, I'm gonna fill you in on a secret. It's not really a secret, but on my channel I really like to focus on living a healthy, balanced, happy, positive, up in spirits type of lifestyle. So this includes everything from having a positive mindset, working out, eating healthy, having a clean and organized space, because I cannot tell you how much better I feel when I'm in a clean and organized space. It just totally transforms my mind, and I feel like for a lot of y'all it's the same thing. From the comments I get from you guys saying like, I clean my room and I feel so much better, and you know, I did these steps and I actually worked towards organizing my junk drawer and now I feel so much better. And all those comments make me so happy because I know how much it helps me. So to see that it helps you as well is just, I really can't put into words how much it means to me, but a lot. So if you are interested, I don't know how to say this to not make it sound like an ad. You know what I mean? Like when I say, so if you are interested in all of that, then you should subscribe. It just feels so ad-like, and I don't want it to sound ad-like, but I don't know how else to say it. But if you do find this kind of topic of like living a whole overall healthy, balanced, and happy life, then you should definitely subscribe. So for today's video, I'm bringing back the what you forget to clean, because I know I have not made a new one of these in a while, but I have kind of been keeping a little list. If you haven't seen my previous videos in this series, I believe this is part 5. So there's 20 other things that you forget to clean. So I'll have that playlist linked in the description so you can go check it out after this one. And with all of that being said, let's just get into the first thing that you forget to clean, but you really should clean. Do you like my snowflake pants? Okay, so we're by the end of my bed, because the first thing that you probably forget to clean, hopefully you don't forget to clean like ever, but enough, is your pillow. The mass majority of us, including myself for a while, probably don't clean them enough. It's actually recommended that you clean them at least once a week, and even up to every couple or few days. It's so easy to forget because you wake up, you get out of your bed, you leave your bed, and then when you come home at night and go to get back into your bed, you just want to go to bed. You don't think about washing the pillow, you know what I mean? But it's so important, because you're putting your face on the pillow. Maybe like have 4 to 5 pillowcases on hand. That way you never risk not having a clean one to change onto your pillow. I have this bin of shoes here on the ground. They used to be under my bed, but then I got a new bed which isn't tall enough to shift this bin underneath. And since I'm moving, I just figured I would just keep it out here instead of figuring out a whole new place to organize it, because I'm gonna be moving it pretty soon, like within a month. Which, side note, if you didn't know, I recently bought a condo and I will be moving in the next month, and I'm gonna do all these videos. We totally gutted the kitchen, a brand new kitchen, which I'm really excited to show y'all. So you should subscribe and stick around for moving videos and new house videos and more cleaning videos in an entire condo, not just my bedroom. And I did do a whole empty condo tour and like Q&A about why I'm moving and all of that stuff. I'll have that linked in the description so you can go check it out. So the next thing that you most likely, because I know that I do forget to clean, is your bins and like storage bins. Obviously it's not going to get crazy messy if you're not using it and putting stuff into it, but I mean, especially with shoes, if you're wearing the shoes and putting them back in, then the bottom of it's going to get dirty. Maybe it's like makeup products that you keep in the back of your desk. It is still accumulating dust and dirt and all of that. So I recommend going around your room, finding all of the bins that you have, whether it's under your bed, in your closet, in a drawer, and just taking the stuff out of it, wiping it down, dusting it, vacuuming it out in this case, whatever you got to do to clean it and keep it clean. Okay, next we'll buy my shoes. I said that word. Next we're by my shoes, because the next thing that you forget to clean, most likely, are the soles of your shoes. It's such an easy, simple, and inexpensive way to take a pair of shoes that you already have and make them look like brand new, because, you know, this part, this is nice and clean, this part, not so clean. So if I clean it, it's gonna look nice and white and clean and brand new. A really simple way that I found on the internet is you just soak the soles of your shoes in warm water and dish soap for like 15 minutes, and then you can take an old toothbrush and kind of scrub it, and it'll look so nice and so clean. So this is kind of similar to the bins, where you don't really necessarily go, well, you probably definitely don't go near this all the time, but it still should be clean because it does accumulate dust. And that is your closet floors. I mean, think about it. How often do you take everything out of your closet and vacuum the floors or mop the floors? A little tip when you're taking stuff out, don't drag it out, because you're just going to drag a bunch of dust with it. You want to like pick it up, shake it off, and then move it out. I think it's really important, like, you know, maybe once a month, just take everything out, quickly vacuum it up, mop it if they're wood or tile floors, and you'll just know that it's cleaner and it's not accumulating dust. And you know what the best part of that is? I almost guarantee you, I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty positive that you will find something that you didn't realize fell back there, like, I don't know, a shirt or an earring, whatever it is. You're gonna find something that you're like, gosh darn it, that's where that was. I was looking for that. It was in the floor of your closet, but if you never take the time to clean the floor of your closet, you're never gonna find it. Hi guys, we have relocated to my car because the next thing that you probably forget to clean as often as you should is your steering wheel. Hear me out, the amount of times that you touch your steering wheel after touching like a billion other things in the world around you is kind of insane. I'm not saying like become obsessed with it and don't touch your steering wheel before you clean it, but you know, every few days if you keep some disinfectant wipes in your car, just take the time to quickly brush it off so that you're getting a lot of those germs off. If you watched until this part, comment fall frost. Comment fall frost. I know that's kind of weird and premature, but there's frost out on the grass right now and it's October, which I love. I'm not complaining because I could wear my sweaters and it really feels like fall time, but comment fall frost if you watched until this part. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this, and I think that's about it. So I love y'all and I'll see you in my next video.